What you munching on? Today we're heading down to Huntington, Tennessee, to the old Mike's Stand Bar and Grill. Want to enjoy Wing Wednesday. They've been doing that for about 9 years. Looking forward to it. So I went with the sweet chili wings with blue cheese. The blue cheese is phenomenal. The wings are awesome. Got some sidewinders and some beer cheese. What is it called? Beer cheese. Edge got the burger, which looks badass.
Garlic parm wings.
Garlic parm wings. Kevin went with a cheeseburger and the heat wings. What do you think about it?
Tastes phenomenal. Great.
2 thumbs up. Love coming here, Wing Wednesday. Come by, get your cold beverage, good wings, some good food.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, I mean, your store is amazing.
Appreciate it. Well, what I just want to talk about too is just getting started. Y'all are one of the first places that ever let me come in here and set up and sell my stuff, and how much that means to me. You know,
Yeah.
words can't be, you know.
Yeah. Now, this place doesn't exist because I'm here or Alan's here. This place exists because of the people that have came in, backed us, supported us, and through the years. And that's why it's became like that.
Yeah, and the
Yeah.
support means way more than what people understand.
Oh, I mean, we've got stuff on our menu that customers create, you know, and we put it on the menu and named it after,
Yeah.
you know.
Oh, rowdy drink coming soon, right?
There you go, rowdy drink coming soon.
Yeah. Well, Deb, I appreciate you sitting down with me.
No problem, Mark. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, I'm proud of y'all. This is appreciate y'all letting us come out here and shoot this video. We're at the Mike's Stand in Huntington, Tennessee. Mike's Stand Bar and Grill. Swing by, get you some good food. Wing Wednesday, phenomenal. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Holla and stay rowdy.
Peace out, guys.
Mm-hmm.